Today, we are talking about a very special and powerful transit, Jupiter's movement into Gemini, and that too for Leo ascendant people. It's happening in the 11th house. And the most interesting part, Jupiter is already present in the birth chart in this house, which means this is a Jupiter return, a time of spiritual reset and new direction. Let's first understand what the 11th house represents. This is known as the house of gains connected to your long term goals, financial profits, desires, and your social networks. It shows what kind of people you are connected to friends, mentors, or those who can open new opportunities in life. When Jupiter transits here, it opens doors for progress, both emotionally and socially. This is the house of dreams and collective gains, and Jupiter here will support you in achieving your aspirations. Now let's talk about Gemini, the sign where this transit is happening. Gemini is an air sign associated with ideas, communication, and social connections. It's a dual-natured sign, meaning it's quick, multitasking, and always curious for something new. This sign helps you stay flexible and adapt to different situations with ease. Gemini is ruled by Mercury, the planet of logic, intellect, and communication. When Jupiter, the planet of wisdom and dharma, enters Mercury's domain, it creates a blend of thoughtful and analytical energy. Jupiter is a deep thinker, while Mercury is more sharp and practical. Their relationship is neutral, but their thinking styles are different. That's why sometimes you may feel mentally confused. Your heart says one thing, your brain says another. Let's now explore the positive sides of this transit. Your social circle will grow and new people will enter your life. There can be growth in income sources, spending projects might get activated. You may receive recognition and appreciation for your work on social media, professionally, or on public platforms. New income streams may develop, even passive income ideas could take shape. You may receive emotional or practical support from elder siblings or seniors, possibly even get an opportunity through them. And since this is a Jupiter return, it's also a time for inner clarity, spiritual direction, and reconnecting with your purpose. The 11th house connects to wealth, fulfillment of desires, and with Mercury's influence, your intelligence and decision making improve. For those living abroad, this could be a chance to reconnect with loved ones or visit home. Jupiter's aspect, Guru's drishti on the third, fifth, and seventh houses also boost communication, creativity, and partnerships. Use this time wisely. Jupiter in the 11th house gives you a strong edge in the tech and digital world. If you're working on a website, app, blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or online community, consider this a green signal from the universe. Jupiter here expands your visibility and helps you connect with a wider audience. Your innovative ideas may attract powerful collaborations, and people will naturally gravitate towards you and towards your mission. Now, let's look at some challenges to be mindful of. Due to Gemini's duality, your focus might get scattered. You could start many things but struggle to finish them. Some of the new people entering your life might remain superficial, lacking depth in friendship or partnership. You might overestimate your financial goals, expecting quick results, which may take time. And a special note for Leo ascendants: ego or pride issues may arise as you naturally take on leadership roles, so staying humble is important. You may also get involved in debates over religious or political topics. Try to avoid unnecessary arguments. The combination of Jupiter and Mercury can sometimes lead to overspeaking or spreading incorrect information. When Jupiter brings wealth in the 11th house, Gemini's restlessness can also lead to quick spending. Coming to the relationship aspect, the 11th house also relates to love that begins with friendship, social attraction, and casual connections. Gemini's influence can draw you to someone intelligent, expressive, and mentally stimulating. There are chances that friendship turns into love, but remember, with Gemini's light-hearted nature, strong bonds will need time and trust to grow. So, Leo ascendants, Jupiter has brought plenty of blessings your way. You just need to balance the speed of Gemini with the depth of Jupiter. With the right focus, success, respect, and social growth are all very much possible.